Have you ever wondered how to use according to correctly in English? Whether you are quoting someone, citing a source, or just trying to sound more fluent, mastering according to is a game changer. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. According to is a phrase used to refer to someone else's ways, opinions, or an official source. For example, according to the report, sales increased last month. And another example, according to experts, regular exercise boosts focus. Here are three common contexts where according to is used. Number one, quoting people. For example, according to my friend, the movie was amazing. Example number two, referring to sources. For example, according to the study, exercise boosts focus. And the last one, sharing opinions from others. For example, according to John, this is the best pizza place in town. Here are more examples of according to in action. Number one, according to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. Example number two, according to experts, this is the best method for learning. And example number three, according to my manager, the meeting starts at 3 p.m. Many people make mistakes with according to. Let's clear them up. It is incorrect to say, according to me, this is the best solution. Why? According to is not used for your opinion. Instead, say, in my opinion, this is the best solution. Example number two, it is incorrect to say, according to the manager, I think this strategy works. Why? Avoid mixing personal opinions with according to. Use according to the manager, this strategy works. Example number three, it is incorrect to say, according to rumors, I heard she's leaving. Why? Avoid using unreliable sources with according to. It is rumored that she is leaving. Now let me give you the last example. It is incorrect to say, according to my own research, I proved this theory. Why? Avoid combining according to with personal action. Use based on my research, I proved this theory. So in the comment section below, I just want you to fill in the blank exercise on your screen now and answer it there. Thank you very much for joining this lesson on mastering according to. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Also check out my Stan store for more exclusive lessons. See you in the next one.